2007 Mustang GT. I just put them in a few days ago with my good buddy Mike, and I could not be happier. They sound pretty good. And yes, they're just Axlebacks. You know, I didn't mess with the headers or the cats or resonator, none of that stuff. For $450, I got a pair of mufflers from Roush that have completely changed the feeling of this car. I mean, it's incredible the difference compared to the stock mufflers that I had on there before. And real quick, I do want to say, if you're just watching this video because you want to see some before and after sound clips, I do have an abbreviated version of this video that does not include this intro or the installation footage. So if you just want the sound clips, there's a link in the description for the abbreviated version of this video. So the purpose of this video is to compare the sound between the stock Axlebacks that I had on there from the dealer and with the new Roush Axlebacks. So what it's going to consist of are several before and after sound clips, because we did the installation ourselves. It's in my garage. In addition to that, there is going to be a quick installation video, and I mean quick. It's not going to be super detailed. You're not going to be able to see everything that we did in it. If you want a more detailed installation video, there's a bunch out there. The two that I referenced before I attempted the installation myself were videos from American Muscle and CJ Pony Parts, which was actually pretty detailed and had a pretty good blurb on how to adjust the muffler tips to where you want it. So if you want a more detailed installation video, check that out. But what you're going to see in this video is, like I said, a quick installation clip, and also some before and after sound clips. We're going to do a cold start, a warm start, a couple of pulls, and a bonus tunnel pull in there too. So a quick shout out to my buddy Mike, who was a great help in installing these, or 95 Rio Cobra on YouTube and Instagram. Definitely check out the Instagram page. So one last quick note before I let the video roll. If you have headphones, go ahead and pop them in, because the audio does not do the exhaust justice. Not to mention, I don't have the best audio equipment, but yeah, enjoy the video. that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you make a decision on which Axleback you want to get. I couldn't recommend the Roush enough. Again, I could not be happier with the result. For 450 bucks, the significant difference that you get from the stock mufflers is just kind of insane. Probably the best bang for your buck you're going to find as far as Axlebacks go. So I highly recommend checking it out. Sorry the audio quality was shit, but it's just what I'm working with. So